going to our first game ng ating Battle for Third sa ating San Juan City Federation Inter-School Parents and Teachers Basketball League. This is the battle for third between the San Juan Integrated School versus Santa Lucia Elementary School. Let the battle begin. Alright, let's go! Jump ball. First ball, makuha ni Paul Kililan. Pahe using the glass and one for Pahe. One shot for Pahe for 3-point. Oy! No good. Rebound ng San Juan Integrated. Pass to the corner. At the post. Oh, there's a foul by jersey number 10. That's Brian Mangahas. The shots para jersey number 0. And the first basket. Second shot is good. Tabla tayo sa dalawa. Kililan Paul. Roa for 3. Short. Rebound by number 15. Outlet pass. Number 0. Matake. Oh, that's a foul. 3 shots para jersey number 0. That's... Hindi ko mabasa ang palido mo, idol. Sorry. First shot. Wala. Second shot. Basket. Change favor. Lamang ang San Juan Integrated School. Here comes Paul Kililan. May takangan ng bola. Tumira sa tres and a first field goal. 3-point for Paul Kililan. Classmate ko yan from Santa Lucia. Number 5, no good. Miss. Rebound again. Number 15, no good. Rebound by Pai. Pass to. Ayan na si Paul. 3 against 1. Block from behind. Last touch. Same ball. Oh, correction. Good defense for San Juan Integrated. There we go. Number 28 ang mamadali. Number 28 bounce pass to number 0. Basket is good. Tabla tayo sa 5. Kililan Paul. Pass to Mangahas. Mangahas. Pass to number 5, miss, rebound. Ayan na ang San Juan Integrated. Bounce pass to number 0. Number 0. Oh, another basket count. Oh, correction, that's a travel. Good defense para kay Paul. To stop this, jersey number 0. Roja. Pass to Mangahas. Brian. Oh, naibaon. He gets the travel. 7 minutes and 38 seconds on the game clock. Number 28 pass to number 0. Number 0 pass to number 28. Binigay sa corner. Bounce pass sa loob. Umatake. Up and under. Gets the foul. Foul number 13. That's Pahe. 2 shots once again by jersey number 78. First shot is good. Second shot is good. 7-5 ang ating talaan. Paul, pass to Roa. Roa, back to Paul. Setting on the screen. Paul, punta sa kaliwa. Paul, pinasa kay Roa. Napakalalim nun. Rebound by number 15. Here comes the San Juan Integrated. 3 against 3. Number 28 to number 15. No good. Offensive rebound. Number 0. Wala pa rin. Another rebound. Oy! Out of bound. Last touch. Same ball po tayo. The number 16, the number 0. Pinas sa gitna. Bounce pass to number 15. Pinali. Wala. Rebound by Pahe. Pahe outlet pass. Steal by number 16. Number 16. Nagmamadali. Number 16. Binigay. The Mira and gets the foul by Brian Mangahas. Ayan, shoutout po. Ayan, kala Sir Bien Legarda. And ating barangay captain, Cap Totoy guys, watching in the rest of the barangay council. Nandiyan si Kagawad Chris Piquero. Ayan, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat, mga sir. Siyempre, nandiyan si former Kagawad, our president, if I'm not mistaken, si Sir Roderick Cordovilla. Back to the ball game tayo. 9-5 ang ating talaan. Oh, sorry, 9-4. According sa ating official. Out of bound. San Juan Integrated School Basketball, number 15, 4-3, miss, rebound. Out of bound. Santa Lucia Basketball. Ball. Nasa kaliwa, Roa. Pass number 5 to Pae. Pae using the glass, miss. Rebound again by Pae. Pahe, too strong, too shot for Pahe. 9-6 ang ating talaan, number 0. Nasa corner. Number 15, umatake, wala. Rebound again ng San Juan. Floater basket by jersey number 28. And that's a mandatory substitution. Nasok na sa kabila. Sila Coach Dan Nolasco. At sa kabila naman, andyan na sila Pinky Felipe. Ayan, Andre, Sunny, and the rest of the team. Alright, back to the ball game. 5 minutes, almost, sa ating game clock. 11-6. In favor pa rin, San Juan Integrated. Sunny, cross-court pass, Albaladejo for 3. And a 3-point for Albaladejo. Andre, oy. Nolasco setting on the play. Nolasco, binigay sa corner, number 29. Cross-court pass to number 18 from elbow 3, no good. Rebound by Sunny. Pass to Felipe. Felipe, outlet pass sa loob, number 13 gets the foul by number 21. Oh, penalty. There was a penalty. Shooting the line, jersey number 23. That's Gonzon. First shot, no good. Correction, basket. 11-10. Second shot, miss. Rebound. Sunny, no good. Out of bound. Last touch. Same ball. Santa Lucia. Oh, steal by number 23. Outlet pass. Nolasco. Napalakas lang ang paso doon. Felipe, pass to Sunny. Back to Felipe. Binky. Andre, cross-court pass for 3. No good. Rebound again by Andre. Andre, pass to Felipe. Top of the key for 3. No. Rebound, number 45. Goes to Sunny. Sunny, pass to Andre. 7 seconds to shoot. Foul by Coach Dan Nolasco. That is first personal foul. Second team foul. Felipe Binky. Pinas sa corner for 2. Basket is good. Change favor. Lamang na ang Santa Lucia Elementary School. Here comes Coach Dan. Pass number 29. Pinas sa loob. Number 21 gets the foul. By Gonzon. Two shots by jersey number 21. First shot, no good. Second shot, basket. Tabla tayo sa 12. Felipe. Setting on the play, Felipe, pass to Andre. Andre for 3. No good, rebound. Makuha ng San Juan Integrated. 3 against 2, 3 against 3. Nolasco, short. Rebound again by Coach Dan. Tumira, wala pa rin. Another offensive rebound para sa Integrated. Pinasa sa corner, fake. Pasa sa gitna, number 29. And gets the basket. 14-12, balik ang alamangan sa San Juan Integrated School. Andre. Pass to Felipe. Pinasa sa loob. Take a shot. Too strong. Rebound. Makakuha ni Sunny. Santiago. Ay pika. Pass to Binky. Binky. Wala. Rebound. Makakuha ng San Juan Integrated. Number 29. Nasa corner. Coach Dan. Bounce pass to number 29. Pass to Coach Dan. Whoa, nice move by Coach Dan Nolasco. 16-12. In favor of the Central. To Sunny. Santiago to Albaladejo. Albaladejo. Back to Felipe. Felipe, top of the key for 3. No good. Rebound. Makuha. Na-out of balance si Idol. Bola rito ng Santa Lucia Elementary School. Sunny. Oy! Bad pass. Walang napasahan doon. At nakuha na nga ng San Juan to get the easy 2. 18-12 ang ating talaan. 6-point lead para sa San Juan Integrated. Felipe. Oh, munti ka na naman maagawan. Last 34 seconds. Felipe, pass to Andre. Andre for 3. No good. Rebound by Coach Dan. Coach Dan, pass number 27. Bounce pass to number 21. Miss. Out of bound. Last 22 seconds. Felipe. Pass to Sunny. 10 seconds to shoot. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Felipe for 3. No good. Rebound by Coach Dan. 2, 1. That's the end of our first period. Official score 18-12 in favor of San Juan Integrated School. Tingnan natin ang handle ng ating Santa Lucia. Tingnan natin kung makakahabol sila sa second quarter. Let's go! Yan, muli maraming pong salamat sa lahat ng sumusuporta ng ating liga here at San Juan City Federation GPTA. Ayan, maraming salamat po. Siyempre, ang ating main sponsor, ang Kukuryu Cosmetic by the Legarda family. Ayan. And siyempre sa school, ayan, sila Cap, Totoy Ga, and Sir Bien Legarda. And shoutout din sa kanyang butihing ama na si Sir Benito Legarda. Maraming salamat po. Siyempre, binabati po rin po natin ang butihing Mayor Francis Zamora na laging napaka-suporta sa ating mga liga tulad nito. Alright, back to the ball game tayo. Second quarter, let's go. 18-12 ang ating talaan. Number 12, pass number 14 to number 12. Up and under, pass to. Stop. Oy, wala. Rebound. Espolita. Pass to number 3, Paul. Pinas sa gitna. Oh, rebound. Comes San Juan Integrated, number 16, bounce pass sa loob, spin, number 16, wala, rebound by Espolita. Uy, pass sa Espolita, pinas sa loob, pass to Roa, side step, wala, rebound, number 5, and gets the foul. Foul number 0. 2 shots para kay Esteban. First shot, no good. Second shot for Esteban. Basket is good. 18-13. Baba sa limang lamang ng San Juan Integrated. Number 14, pass number 16. Back to number 14. Pinasa gitna, cross-court pass, number 16. Pass number 14. Nabitawan. Naka-recover, running shot, miss, rebound. Makakuha ni Paul. Here comes Paul. Kililan. Pass to. Too strong. Number 13, wala pa rin. Espolita, wala pa rin. Rebound ng San Juan. Ay nasa loob. And one by jersey number 26. Grabe ang depensa na pinapakita ng San Juan. Never give up to get the ball. Grabe, sayang yan para sa Santa Lucia. 3 shots. Basket by jersey number 76 for a 3-point play. 21-13 ang ating talaan. Here come Chris or Paul. Number 13 for 3. Miss. Out of bound. San Juan Integrated School Basketball. Number 14. Behind the back. To number 16. To number 76. Last touch. Same ball. That's number 76, and that's a traveling violation. Kelilan for 3, short. Santa Lucia. Remaining time, 7 minutes and 28 seconds. Oy! Shoutout muna tayo. Shoutout, shoutout! Shoutout, shoutout! Eh! Got the 3-point. Number 13, Black. Rebound. For a pass. Number 14, steal by Esteban. 3 against 2. Estroa. No good. Rebound by jersey number 0. Oh, nice move. Oh, another steal. 2 against 1. All the way. Basket by jersey number 38. Time out. Hey. Time out, Santa Lucia. Alright, back to the ball game. Another steal for San Juan Integrated. Bad pass. No good. Blocked by Espolita. Official score po natin, 28-13. Hindi ko pala nalagay kanina. Roa, pass to Paul. Kelilan all the way. Basket is good. 28-15. Babasa, 13 ang Kalamangan. Number 16, 4-3. No good. Rebound by number 0. Wala pa rin. Steal. Pass to Paul. Kelilan. 3 against 2. Roa. Basket. Mandatory substitution. Masa? Second 5 tayo. Mandatory substitution. Official call 28-17. Babasa 11 ang Kalamangan ng San Juan Integrated School. Number 21, pinasa loob, nagilid, wala, rebound, makuha rito ni Felipe. Binky, setting on the play. Binky. Oy, nice pass to Pahe. What a combination by Felipe to Pahe. Nolasco, cross-court pass, number 15. Pass to Nolasco, Coach Dan for 3. Bang! 3-point para kay Coach Dan Nolasco. 31-19 in favor pa rin sa San Juan Integrated. Felipe. Pass sa corner. Andre, 4-3. No good. Rebound by number 29. Pass to Coach Dan. Ay na, tumatakbo. 4 against 2. Number 29. Bounce pass to number 21. And basket. Correction. And that's a foul by Andre Albaladejo. 2 shots para dyan si number 21. Remaining time, 4 minutes sa ating first half. Rebound by number 45. Pass to Andre. Andre. Inasa kay number 45. No good. Rebound. Makakuha pa rin. Si number 45. Spin. Pass to Binky. Felipe. Catch and shoot. Basket yan for Felipe. Baba sa 10 ang lamang ng San Juan Integrated. Nolasco, binigay, number 29. Pinasa sa corner, 4-3, miss, rebound by number 45. Pass to Felipe. 4 against 1, Felipe with a strong drive, no good. Rebound by Coach Dan. Nolasco ng pamadali. Hesi, libre sa 3. Wala, rebound. Number 21, bounce pass to number 21. Easy 2 points. Balik sa 12 ang kalamangan ng San Juan Integrated. Andre. Pass to Pahe. Pahe. Pass to number 45. Too strong. Whoa. And Guanzon, if I'm not mistaken, for a putback. Mabasa 10 ulit ang kalamangan ng San Juan Integrated. Nolasco. Pinasa gitna. Out of bound. Two minutes and 23 seconds. Felipe. May tangan na bola. Felipe. Natapikan. Out of bound sa ball. Pae, pass to Felipe. Pass to Andre. Andre, 4-3. No good. Rebound, number 45. Gets the putback. Last 2 minutes tayo ng first half. 33-25. Number 15. No good. Rebound, number 21. Basket. Babasa sa buwang lamang. 35-25. Felipe. Pass number 45. Catch and shoot. Yes, sir. 27-35. Baba sa 8. With a single digit ang San Juan Integrated. Coach Dan. Coach Dan. Pass number 29. Gets the 3, no good. Rebound, number 29, pass to Felipe. Cross-court pass. Andre, too strong. Rebound by Andre. Andre. Oh! Traveling daw. Ang tawag ng ating official. Ayan na. Number 29, umatake, walang tawag. Rebound, makakuha ni number 23. Pass to Felipe. Oh, sorry, that's Pahe. Steal by Coach Dan. Coach Dan, bounce pass. Number 15, that's a traveling violation. Last 27 seconds. Andre to Felipe. Felipe, back to Andre. Andre Hesi. Andre. Tumira, no good. Rebound by number 29. Pass to number 29. Number 29 all the way. Easy 2 points. Last 1 second. And that's the end of our first period official score. Our first half Official score 37-27 in favor of San Juan Integrated School. At magbabalik tayo para sa ating second half. Magkakat mo tayo for the meantime. Shoutout mo tayo sa mga idol. Ay! Alright, kakat mo tayo for the meantime. Magbabalik muli. Maraming salamat po sa ating sumusuporta ng ating liga. Siyempre, nandiyan ang Kukuryo Charity Program by Coach by the Legarda family, Sir Bien and Sir Benito. And syempre, di natin makakalimutan ang ating kapating Mayor Francis Zamora. Maraming salamat po. Magbabalik po tayo para sa ating second half.